did all-nighter for this. I was pretty upset that it didn't work the first time, to be honest with you. Yes, it was. Alright. Alright. Holy shit. So, there's a clip right here that you push down on, so you don't mess up this cable. And to make sure it seats properly, you put that motherfucker all the way in there. Alright. Till it's solid. That is display. This is power for the front. Definitely in there. I broke my thumb. This is for the LEDs. Oh god. That's in there. Alright. That one never got taken out. So we're good there. Alright, so heatsink was what you saw that was there first to the case. Here's the top. This is the motherboard. Oh. Okay. Alright. First things first. Yeah, heatsink is pop it in like that. It's probably a little rougher than I needed to, but anyways, writing up. And light on. Hello. There she is. Oh, that's why. Forgot. These are Phillips head. So I'm going to go until I feel a tiny bit of resistance. There we go. Don't slip now. Fuck that shit up. Alright. He's good. Battery is connected to our motherboard, to the prom. Put those two in. Oh yeah. Last but not least, for the video I saw the guy did it, he fucked up. End. And end. Then pop it in. You won't break your plastic that way. And that's actually how it goes. Now, for the part I've been waiting for. Help turn on the power supply. We got blue. Come on, goddammit. Boot up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Greatest technician alive. Fuck yeah. No, it wasn't. Yeah, got you, kid.